Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pronounce Faster.
Hi, I'm Lucy. And Tom, I have a question for everyone.
What's your question?
Everyone listening right now, pause for a moment.
Think about today.
From the moment you woke up until right now,
What did you do?
can you describe it in English?
Most students say, I don't know how to talk about my day.
But today, we're teaching you exactly that.
How to talk about your day from morning until night.
So, let's begin. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
So, Tom, why is talking about your day so important?
This is one of the most common conversations in English.
Really?
Yes. People ask, how was your day? All the time.
Friends ask it, family asks it,
Coworkers ask it.
even neighbours ask it.
It's how people show they care about you.
And it's how friendships grow.
When you share your day, you share your life.
People understand you better.
Plus, practicing this helps you think in English about your real life.
Not just textbook English.
Your actual daily life.
So let's start with the morning.
What do you do when you wake up?
First, let's learn the basic phrase.
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Simple.
Woke up means you opened your eyes.
Then I got up.
Got up means you left the bed.
So I woke up at 7, but I got up at 7:30.
You stayed in bed for 30 minutes.
Exactly. Many people do this.
What's next in the morning?
I took a shower.
I got dressed.
I had breakfast.
You can add what you ate.
I had coffee and toast.
I drank coffee and ate cereal.
I had eggs and orange juice.
Simple sentences.
Then you leave home.
I left home at 8:30.
I went to work.
Or I went to school.
How did you get there?
I drove to work.
I took the bus.
I walked to school.
I rode my bike.
Let me put it all together.
Yes, show us a morning.
This morning, I woke up at 6:30. I got up, took a shower, and got dressed. I had coffee and toast for breakfast. Then I left home at 8 o'clock. I drove to work.
Perfect. That's a complete morning.
Your turn to practice at home.
Now the work or school day.
What did you do at work?
I worked on a project.
I had meetings.
I answered emails.
Or at school.
I attended classes.
I studied for a test.
I worked with my team.
You can add how it was.
It was busy.
It was quiet.
It was stressful.
It was good.
Now lunch.
I had lunch at noon.
I ate lunch at my desk.
I went to a restaurant for lunch.
I had lunch with a colleague.
Colleague means coworker.
I brought lunch from home.
I have a student named Priya.
Tell us about Priya.
Priya started a new job and felt very shy.
That's normal.
She wanted to make friends, but she was nervous.
What happened?
One day at lunch, a colleague asked, "How was your morning?"
A simple question.
but Priya had practiced with me.
Good.
She said it was busy. I had 3 meetings this morning.
Perfect answer.
The colleague said, "Oh, really? What about?"
The conversation continued.
They talked for the whole lunch break.
Wonderful.
Priya made her first friend at work.
Just by talking about her day.
That's the power of this conversation.
Now let's talk about the evening.
You finish work or school.
I came home at 6 p.m.
Or I got home at 5:30.
Both are correct.
What do you do at home?
I made dinner.
I cooked pasta.
I ordered takeout.
Takeout means food from a restaurant.
I ate dinner with my family.
Or I ate alone.
Both are fine.
What did you do after dinner?
I watched TV.
I watched Netflix.
I read a book.
I played video games.
I talked with friends.
I did some exercise.
I took a walk.
Or I just relaxed.
All good activities.
Finally, bedtime.
I went to bed at 10 p.m.
I was tired, so I went to bed early.
I stayed up late.
I fell asleep around 11.
Now, let me describe a complete day.
Please.
This morning, I woke up at 7. I had coffee and cereal for breakfast. Then I went to work at 8:30. I had a busy morning with lots of meetings. I had lunch with a friend at a cafe. This afternoon, I worked on a presentation. I came home at 6, made dinner, and watched a movie. It was a good day.
Excellent. That's a complete day description.
You can also make it shorter.
Yes, a brief version.
Today was good. I worked, had lunch with a friend, and relaxed at home in the evening.
That's enough too.
Long or short, both work.
Depends on the situation.
With close friends, give more details.
With acquaintances, keep it brief.
I have a student named Omar.
What did Omar do?
Omar wanted to improve his speaking quickly.
What did you tell him?
I said every night before bed, describe your day in English, out loud.
Did he do it?
Every single night for 2 months.
Wow.
At first, it was so difficult.
But he kept practicing.
Yes, every night.
What happened?
By the end of 2 months, he could describe his entire day naturally.
Amazing.
His speaking improved so much.
Just from this one simple practice.
Describing his day every night.
That's powerful.
You can do this too.
Now let's talk about questions people ask.
How was your day?
You can answer, "It was good."
It was busy.
"It was tiring."
What did you do today?
Answer with 2 or 3 activities.
I worked, had lunch with a friend, and relaxed at home.
Perfect.
How was work?
It was fine.
It was stressful today.
It was pretty quiet.
Did you do anything fun today?
If yes, yes, I went to the park.
If no, not really, just a normal day.
That's totally fine to say.
And always remember,
After you answer, ask the question back.
I had a good day. How was yours?
This makes it a real conversation.
not just answering questions.
Also, add feelings.
I was so tired today.
I was really happy.
I felt stressed this afternoon.
Feelings make it more interesting.
Mention people too.
I talked with my friend Maria.
I had a meeting with my boss.
This adds life to your story.
One more tip.
What's that?
Use actually for unexpected things.
I actually went to the gym today.
I actually cooked dinner instead of ordering.
Actually shows it's unusual.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
Morning routine. I woke up at, I had breakfast, I went to work.
Work or school. I worked on. I had lunch with.
Evening. I came home. I made dinner. I watched TV.
Bedtime. I went to bed at.
Use simple past tense.
I woke, I went, I had, I made.
Add times to give details.
Add one feeling. Busy, good, tired.
Keep it simple.
You don't need complex words.
Just describe what really happened.
Now we have a challenge for you.
A practice challenge.
Tonight before bed, describe your day.
Out loud in English.
Even if nobody is listening.
Just practice.
Tomorrow night, do it again.
Every night for 1 week.
By the end of the week, it will be so much easier.
Your speaking will improve naturally.
Like Omar.
After 2 months, he was fluent at describing his day.
You can do this too.
Start tonight.
Make it a habit.
And when someone asks, "How was your day?"
You'll be ready.
with real English about your real life.
Perfect.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned how to talk about your day.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go describe your day.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.